All of you.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, dear students?
Fine, sir.
Let us do one activity. I want to show you something. Okay? It is made up by one of the intelligent students. Okay? Will you please stand up? Come here. Okay. Show it to the students. Show everyone. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want somebody to stand up and read. Who will read? You stand up and read.
When a language dies, a culture dies with it.
It is written, when a language dies, culture dies with it. Do you understand what does it mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Good answer. You sit down. One more. We have one more slogan. Will you please stand up, my dear students? Come forward. Okay. Show what you have written. Yes, good. Will you please stand up? Read it loudly.
जिसने अपनी मातृभाषा पर गर्व नहीं वह अपनी जड़ों से अनजान है.
One more time. Please repeat it.
जिसे अपनी मातृभाषा पर गर्व नहीं वह अपनी जड़ों से अनजान है.
Okay, very good. Please sit down. Good. Okay, now there are two things we have seen. One sentence was in which language?
English.
And another sentence was in which language?
Hindi.
Okay, very good. Do you find any difference? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am not asking you what is the difference you find. Let us see one more thing. I have something for you, all of you. Just observe it. Okay, I want one participant. Anushka, please come here. Now listen what she will tell you. Tell you or sing you. Let us.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Good. Was it nice song?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us listen to one more song. I want to invite two more participants from our class. Come forward. Please stand here. Okay. Here. Start singing.
आदिवासी जंगल वाला रे जंगलवासी जंगल मारे जे हम आदिवासी शब्द से निराला रे छम छम आहा छम 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 आहा छम 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 पायल वगाड़ती जाए मारा आंगे नसी
Very good, excellent. So, dear students, tell me which song you enjoyed a lot. Second number. What is the reason? Who will tell me? I want you to stand up and tell me.
Sir, in first song I just enjoy it, but in second song it's in our mother language. That's why it's mean a lot.
Okay, very good. The second song was in our mother language, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mother language has connection, direct connection. It is emotion, right? So mother language, obviously, it is connected to our heart, right? One more thing I want to show you. My dear students, please come forward. Come outside. See, this painting is made by Sandeep. Can you see this picture, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Anybody? Sir, it is just a painting, right? It is just a
Yes,
painting. No, it is not just a painting. What is it?
Sir, it is a cultural painting which is Pithora.
Yes, Pithora. Very good. Good, beta. Please sit. Sit down. Good. Clap for Sandeep. Now we have seen some slogans written in mother language, written in other language. Other language means it was English. We have heard two songs. One was in English language and another was in mother language. But we have observed that both the language a long difference. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. To show this, the importance of mother language, we have a lesson in standard 12, and that lesson name is The Last Lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, before we go for the lesson, I want all of you to see one drama which is performed by the students of standard 12, means from your class only. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see for drama.
Good morning, all of you. We, the students of class 12 of JNV Alirajpur, have prepared a drama on the lesson, the last lesson, and our theme is the importance of our mother tongue. This lesson is set against the backdrop of Franco-Prussian War, in which Prussia defeated France and the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine were passed into the Prussian lands. This story takes us to a small village of Alsace where the French language is about to be replaced. Our act begins in a quiet village of Alsace with a young boy named Franz. The two protagonists of this story, M. Hamel and Franz, are from Alsace. M. Hamel is a French teacher and Franz is one of his students. We are going to representing how the war plays a pivotal role in their lives. So today, open your heart and mind to the lesson, not just as student of literature but as custodians of our own identity. Let's begin. He started his morning school very late that morning. As he walks to the school, he saw some Russian soldiers were drilling there. Roaming in the garden, he thought of running away and spent the whole day out of doors. He thought on the commotion to get to his desk without being seen. There was a great whisper which could be heard out in the street. The opening and closing of desk, lessons repeated in unison very loud with our hands over our ears to understand better. As he passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board.
चलो चलो चलो.
Well, why aren't you in the school, little pets? I'm too big to go to school and I don't know my list.
So go to the school because you are already late.
Okay.
रुक जा यार.
Go to your city and rent the digging the come in Victor.
I thought today you wouldn't mind if I.
Other come before you. Good morning, my children. This is last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin that in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine teach only German. We are no longer to be friends. Your new German master comes tomorrow. When he arrives, I shall leave you. This is the last lesson, so our own language, I want all to be very attentive. The first forum will be begin with our host. Stand up.
Babeli bogu, babeli bogu, babeli bogu.
Will they make them sing in German, even the peasant?
Let us go to the lesson on participles and infinitive. French. Tell about participles.
When the present participle follow the verb to be,
Verb to be.
to be, to be. When the present participle follow verb to be, it is, it is,
It is agrees like an adjective.
it is addressed like an adjective.
You do not have to hold a friend and do not blame yourself. It is with the order. However, really at a fault and we said to ourselves we have plenty of time, we can do it tomorrow, but it was a great trouble advance that we put off learning a lesson until tomorrow. Lesson for more important than the rule for participants, and now it is too late that they have taken our country away from us. We will have no longer our lesson in reading today, but you must go on with your reading at home, Grandpa, because when the people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast their language, it as if they had the key to their prison. I should read to you some words that were written by Victor. As long as there is a Frenchman, all this world will lie. Freedom is our birthright. The life without liberty is living death from within it. The deep shadow of his pleasant what the French people like their leaders have mounted the words of surrender which find no echo in their hearts. They are silent but each know what is it in other thought. Now I am leaving.
Now, at the end of the lesson, M. Hamel left the class, capturing the image of his last lesson in his eyes with the last long memory.
the drama dramatized by the students of 12th standard JLE London. It was wonderful drama. Now, I have given one project on the base of mother language. So I want Sneha to come here and show the project or whatever she made. Sneha, please come here and show your project. So Sneha, this is really wonderful artwork by you. Will you please tell us what is this and what about this?
Yes,
Please
sir.
hold it.
So this is, sir, I have tried to show my mother language through art. And this is a tree on our mother language. This is the painting. This is our cultural painting, which is Pithora, and here are some birds. Birds
Very
which we
good,
use
very
in everyday life.
Very good, very good. Sneha, I want you to tell us what these words are and what the meaning of these words.
Sir, this Kai Kole, this means what are you doing?
Very good.
And here are some words like Haileduki, that have you eaten? And like Baluki, how are you?
Okay, very good. Will you please recite the words so that our students repeat you?
Yes, sir. Sky calling. Baluki,
Valuki,
Haileduki,
Haileduki. Very good, very good. Excellent work, very good artwork. Very good, very good. Please take your seat. Okay, so thank you so much, all of you. The lesson ends here. Thank you.